Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon so that you will be updated with latest videos and latest information. So in this video I am going to tell you how to create a menu for your website. So like the one which you are seeing on the desktop on the screen. So today we will see how to create a menu like this. Now this is our WordPress control panel, okay, or this is the back end of our WordPress. And so all you have to do is, as the first step, we need to create menu items like pages and links. That is the first step. So go to pages. I already created some pages like about page, contact, homepage, blog, and for you I will show you how to create a page. It is very easy. Click on add new here or click on add new here, okay, under pages toolbar. So once you click on add new, here enter the title for your page, like page X, page XYZ. So this is the demo page, so I'm not going to save it, but this is how you have to do to create a page. So after entering the title, you have to click on publish. So the page has created. Now get back to our WordPress control panel. Okay, so we have these pages. Now the second step is create menu name. So we have to create a menu name, then we have to add menu items. So go to appearances, there click on menu, yes. So here we don't have any menus, so let us first create a menu. Here enter the menu name that you want, like main menu, or you can also select different names like your name, King Raja, okay, like any name you can select for your menu. So I am selecting the basic one, main menu. So if you press on create menu button, now our menu has created. Now it is time to add menu elements like homepage, my blog, about page, contact us page, service page. Yeah, these are enough. Now add to menu. So finally we have added menu elements: homepage, my blog, about page. So you can rearrange these elements, just drag and drop, very easy, drag and drop, okay. And if you want to create a sub menu, all you have to do is, okay, drag this to the right side, so it becomes a sub item for this menu item, sub item, okay. So this is how you can create sub items. But so now yeah, perfect. So we have created menu items, and you can also add links to your menu like https google.com. so here you have to enter the URL now for the navigation label here. Okay, now let's have this is because I'm doing it for demo purpose. Now you can add like website building, website building, then I want to drag this under services page and website building and affiliate marketing. Affiliate here SEO, digital marketing. So these are the services I can provide. So I'm adding digital marketing under service page. So let us change navigation label. So here on the home page also, so in the menu section it will show as home page, so that looks weird. So let us change it to home. Here also like about, okay, then yes, my blog, perfect, that's okay. And here our services, yes, website building and contact us. So finally we have added menu items. Now menu setting. So this is the location for this particular menu we have created. So primary menu in the sense the one which you find on the header, and this is mobile menu. So for mobile version this is going to be the menu, and now save menu. Just wait for 1 minute. Everything is fixed, everything is okay. Now go to our website. Easy, very easy. Yes. So friends, here you can find the menu, home page, about page, my blog, our services. Under our services we have added sub items, web building, so website building and digital marketing and contact us page. So that's how you can create menu items. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to add icons to your menu items. Okay, we are going to add icons to our menu items, like say Google. Get back to Google. So let's say okay, how to create a website. Just wait friends, just wait, I want to show you something. So this is the menu for Google. So and for every menu item they have an icon representing it. So news, you have some icon. For images also you have some icon. So on this website icwmw.com you have icon for your menu items. So in the next video we are going to see how to creating adding menu icons. So if you like this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing my channel. And this is the second video on my channel, and your subscription helps me to, it motivates me to do more and more videos. And thank you.